Hi everyone. Since I got the flight to fancy and I'm not feeling well because I didn't sleep well last night. My daughter had her surgery on Friday. She was having a little bit of trouble breathing and I didn't sleep well last night. So I'm just gonna go with the neutral palette or the neutral colors. And I had gotten this from NYX as their new metallic eyeliners, and this isn't closing properly, which means the eyeliner is going to dry out. But it said rose gold. I had gotten this, and you can't even see anything, but that's what I put on the entire lid. So I'm going to start with the transition color. Don't know how that's going to go because sometimes I feel those transition colors don't work right with the actual crease colors, but let's start with that. A lot of fallout. Wow, it's kind of heavy. Okay. That's heavy. Well, I will say this. It's pretty pigmented. You don't need a lot. Since it was a matte transition, I thought I was going to need a lot, but look at that heavy application. So it's kind of like a coppery crease color. I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and see how that goes. That's heavy. That is a heavy application. And I'm doing both eyes, sorry. This is what I've been doing the last few videos. I don't get why I keep doing that. Going to both eyes, but I'm gonna take the brush with the transition color, see if I could like blend that out a little bit, because that is really harsh, very metallic-y for a crease color. So I'm just gonna blend it out with the transition color. This one looks like it needs a little more. It's in the 80s and almost 90s here. See this color right here? My new obsession? It is rose gold. That's why I put that rose gold liner. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, no. You gotta really push the top in for that. I noticed that girls are just putting concealer on their eyes now after they do their makeup, after they do their eyeshadow. So I don't know if that's, I was thinking of trying that, but I'm hoping this is enough. Oops, I got too much. Look what I did over here. Okay. Yeah, it does, you have to like, since I didn't feel enough was coming up, I pressed really hard, and look at that mess it made. Grr. Alright, okay, that's working out much better. Wow. Me likey. I think I just went a little too high. I had to fix that, but me likey. Okay, there's a big mess. I want to be careful, but I'm going to take that whitish or pinkish. Maybe it's also like a light rose gold from the top. Yes, it is a light rose gold. It's a little heavy if you ask me. It's like a light rose gold color. But that crease color is a pure copper, which I keep trying to tone down with that transition color. Honestly, I would probably just use a transition color with this and skip that copper, because that is too strong. The eyeliners are much better. Much better. Decided to go with green. I think green liner looks nice with a neutral shadow. Although this is a rose gold palette, which is, like I said, very exciting. So, honestly, this does not look like a blush. This looks more like a bronzer, but let's see what happens. So let me just finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I would like to do this look over again and just eliminate that copper and just use the transition color, and then put like a beige or a white on top, and then put that rose gold, like very light rose gold color. And I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't like that copper. I mean, I guess the copper is nice if you want to put it on the lid with the rose gold, like half and half, but putting it on in the crease, I am not crazy about. So this, I thought this was a bronzer. It is a rose gold blush. So that made me very happy. I wanted to try this out, so I decided to use my cushion with the yellow concealer. So I just went ahead and used my cushion highlighter and contour, and I did use this. One of the things that people were saying is that it's very hard. This is like has a lot of the scrub in it, to the ratio of the moisturizer or the oil or the cream. It's like really hard, like you have to really dig into it, but it tasted delish. I did not get the orange one. And then of course I used my red lipstick, because to me the classic colors, I thought this was neutral and it's not, it's actually rose gold, but the classic colors to me, a neutral eye, I just love with a red lip. So I just went ahead and did this. I do not like that orange color. It's very, I don't know, it's not even like a bright orange, or it's just like this really like adobe, like a brownish orange. I really don't like it. I mean, it might have went better, or the nude lip might have went better, but I just didn't want to look washed out with the nude lip. So I chose the red. So next week I'll continue. The liners this time around are much nicer. These, I guess they went with the lip glosses instead of the matte, which I love. It's very, very opaque, so I love that. This isn't bad. I sprayed my face. It had a pleasant scent, not nothing heavy. And so I did, that's why I did the cushion to make it stick. And I felt it worked with, you know, with some concealer. And yeah, so I would like to do this again and do like a rose gold look with the Milani. And Black Radiance came out with I think it's I don't know if it's a matte, but I know it's a liquid lip color, whether it's gloss or matte, I don't know. And then they have the glitter. And they had rose quartz, which I think is rose gold. So really want to try and get that and just like do a whole look with that. I might do that.